kung saan patungo si Hiwaga ng award. Kaya subaybayan niyo po hanggang mamaya. Iyak ako ka Berna.
Ang ganda naman yung Hiwaga. Gusto niya.
Oh, nagkasya kami dyan, oh.
Let's go.
Let's go, segunda mano.
Miss. So much mag-receive sa first award dun sa the Philippines.
And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Roger Saison Tamundo. Let's give him a sounding applause.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here. It is my pleasure to introduce our esteemed telegrapher, certified security.
Hiwaga, Ablero, most outstanding social media influencer and fast-rising entrepreneur of the year. Congratulations. Okay, so we have Hiwaga. So we have Dr. Cynthia P. Makulangan.
Community, kaya thank you so much sa nagmamahal sa suporta. Ay naku, ewan ko lang kung hindi ko akalain maging ganito si Hiwaga. Pero nandun yung support you. God bless you always. Wait lang. Ito pa lang kami.
Guys, napawi na kami guys. Sa wakas, tapos ng award ng Hiwaga. Ayan o. Sa wakas guys, nanalo kami ng award na mug. Ayan o. Award na mug.